2x6 closure. You know, the thin Kim Kardashian, that is 6 inches and 2 inches closure. So we have this in stock. So if you go to our website, we have two types. We have the normal one that does not have any line, and we have the one that has a line already. So if you want a clean straight line, then you get this one. If you want just no line, like free parting, but mostly, or you just want to create your own line yourself, so you get this one. So this is what our HD looks like. It's very thin. You know, this is transparent HD lace, and this is this has a bit of tone to it. This is what it looks like. That's our HD lace. This has a bit of tone, and this one is a transparent one. So guys, this, can you see how nice and lovely it is? If you want it like the customized or pre-made middle parting, this is the one you get. And if you want the one that you're going to make your parting yourself, so this is what you have. So girls, this is available to pick up in our store and for next day delivery. Limited stock anyway. But if we don't have it for next day delivery and you order on our website, we'll let you know ASAP, so that you know, if you want to probably wait for like 3 or 4 days to get it, or you want to cancel your order, but we definitely let you know. So this is what it looks like. And the hair on it is amazing. So you want the Kim Kardashian look, the Naomi Campbell middle parting, go for this. Okay? Thank you, girl.